Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Love2Shop gift card. Firstly, go to Love2Shop rewards activation page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. Locate the card number and security code which is found in the back of the card, then enter these details in the required fields. Now click activate and wait for the confirmation. Once activated, your Love2Shop card is ready to use at participation retailers. If you need help or if you face any issues, contact Love2Shop customer support via their website to solve them. Enjoy shopping, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.